If you have watched hundreds of SMMA videos and you still don't have a single paying client, this video is for you. I'm sharing the exact blueprint that I gave to a subscriber of mine yesterday that literally got him out of the door and on the streets selling more local business clients. So grab your coffee, notepad, and let's roll. Hi there, my name is Danyyil. I run a local digital marketing agency here in Canada, focusing specifically on local businesses, but mainly car dealerships. So everything you will see today is what I actually do, minus the overpriced gurus and rented Lambos. You're probably asking why door to door? It is so overwhelming. I don't want to do it. It's very scary. Well, for the exact same reason. Nobody wants to do it. Nobody is doing it. That's why you have a competitive advantage. Customer support is very important for local businesses, especially when they have to wait to fix their website or to do something about their marketing. But if you're local, if you shake hands with them, if you're 5 minutes away from them and you ensure for whatever problem, I'm going to be there for you and we're going to solve that problem together. And since 2020, people lost that physical touch, that connection. So stop sliding into business owners' DMs and start knocking on their doors. Okay, step number 1, you have to build your prospect spreadsheet. I'm gonna jump into my laptop right now to show you. So you want to open Excel or Google Sheets and you want to name it Local Prospecting 2025. Then you want to add columns, which are business name, address, driving time, Google review score, and then Google review count. Also website quality, good, meh, bad, and also social media presence, yes, no, and number of followers. We're almost there. We also want to add if they're running Facebook ads, yes or no. And last but not least, notes, which are also going to be pain points. Step number 3, data mining, the free method. You want to go to Google and type Google Maps, then search and open the first link. Then you want to type your niche. For me, it's car dealerships near me, and then search. Then you want to go down this list and copy all the information into your spreadsheet. You want to aim for at least 20 to 30 businesses. For example, this import car center. We want to copy the name and then the address. Driving time, well, it depends for you. For me, it's going to be pretty close by, so 15 minutes. Google reviews, 4.8, 314, so 4.8, and then 314. How's their website quality? Let's check their website. Doesn't look too bad. They have a video in the background playing. They have the inventory. It looks decent. They even have a chatbot over here. Now, social media. Let's go back and check their Facebook and Instagram. So here we have their Facebook. They have 648 likes and 742 followers, so not bad. Their last post was on May 19, which is pretty recent, and they look like they're posting quite often. I don't know what they're posting. It's not the best content, but it's something. So we will say Facebook, meh, click this page, and then you go to add library. As you can see, is currently running ads. So you want to go to add library, and then you just check their ads. They don't look too impressive. Let's just click this button here. It goes to their landing page, but vehicle has been sold. So I don't think they are up to date with their Facebook ads, and they are not great. I don't think they deliver any results. So in terms of Facebook, yes, they're running Facebook, but needs improvement. Their Instagram social media, let's go here. Okay, so this is their social media, 24 posts, 202 followers, and their last post was on 381 weeks ago. So that just means they don't care about their Instagram that much, but it needs improvement, and this is what something else that we can offer. Not available. For the notes, I would say key pain points are Facebook ads and lack of reviews. Yeah, they have a good average 4.8, but only 314, while their competitors are in the 1000 category. So they need more reviews. That's what we can sell them. Instagram potentially, and ads. And you want to do the same for all businesses that in your niche, in your area. But if you want a shortcut, there is a service that is called D7 Lead Finder. It's reliable, and I've used it like 3 years ago when I was just starting out. I downloaded a list of local businesses in my niche, and it worked great. And it costs what, like $50 to get a pretty nice list of businesses in your area. So I would highly consider it if you don't want to do it manually, one by one. And I'm not affiliated with them. It's just something that I personally like and I personally use. And as you can see, it's like 62 per month Canadian. So it's like $50 US, and you get 3,500 leads per day that you can download to your spreadsheet, which is pretty nice. Step number 2, you need to run a 5-minute marketing audit. Because before you show up at their door, you need to know their pain points. If their website looks terrible, if they have a chatbot on their website, how about their reviews? Do they have many? Do they have a few? What is the average score? And what's going on with their social media? Do they post often, or do they post once a year? Also, what about their Facebook marketing campaign? Because if it's poorly managed, they flush a lot of money down the advertising toilet. So you can have $5 quality leads, or you can have $50 shit leads, and then the result will vary significantly. Okay, step 3, walk-in outreach game plan. First step is you want to plan your day and your stops in terms of proximity. So first stop, first business is going to be closest to you, and the last one is going to be furthest, so you don't waste time. Next one, you want to dress casual smart. You want to look like they're a friendly marketer, not a banker. Next one, you need to get past the gatekeeper, front desk receptionist. You say, hi, I'm looking for business owner's name. I just finished an audit on your Facebook business profile, and I found some critical issues, and I'm sure he will find it valuable to see what it's all about. It will only take just a minute. So yeah, because it's very important, critical, they don't understand what you're even talking about, like Facebook Business Manager, like what's going on, or Google Business Profile. Most of the time, just let you speak to the business owner. Next, you speak to the business owner and you hand them a paper, a printout of your audit, of your findings, screenshots of the problems with their website, Facebook, Google reviews, etc. And then you hand them that and you say, here's what I found. Google reviews problem, Facebook missing ads or problematic ads, and then your website loads for like 6 seconds and you have like website problems, this and that, and you say, I've fixed those problems just last week for another client of mine, name of the business, and we already put like 50 free leads just by implementing those changes, and they already closed 2 deals, which is 10x ROI. So if you want to see how this works and how we can do the same for your business, how about we book a 15 minutes for tomorrow? Sounds fair? And the paper is important because that printed audit will be sitting on their table for the next 24, 48 hours before the appointment, and it will be reminding them about you, and it will be a reassurance to them that they want to do business with you. Very important though, you have to secure the meeting. You have to get their email, their personal phone number, and you have to book that appointment in their calendar before leaving the office. And here's a sales mindset that you always have to remember to boost your confidence when you cold or you door knock or any other outreach method. And I personally use it every time. So basically you want to think this way. People who you are outreaching to, they should be grateful to you for meeting them, for spending your time to present solutions and to put those solutions on their table. Now they have options, and that is valuable. So you are doing them a favor. Yeah, but how do you handle credibility objections? Like, what have you done in the past? Why should I trust you? Why should I work with you? What are your testimonials? There are 4 ways to handle this. First one is guarantees. You can just guarantee the world and say like you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Worst case, I'm just gonna refund all your money. Second one is fake it till you make it. Fake results, fake clients, fake all of it, and hope for the best. Just work your ass off just to deliver results. And then third one is free trials. That's what I personally did in the very beginning. I found friends and family who needed like marketing help, and I was just like, I know this, and let me just deliver results. And then once we see results and we see return on investment, then we can, negotiate the price. And then I kind of changed to guarantees, and now I don't offer any guarantees. Last but not least is the borrowed credibility. So basically you pretend like you have a partner. Maybe you do, but if you don't, you pretend. It could be your coach, it could be your mentor, someone that has done it. And then you say, oh, I have a partner, he has done it, those are the results and those are the clients. And then I'm just a sales person. I'm kind of like getting the word out. So those are the 4 methods. So you got the spreadsheet, you have the audit template, and you have the walk-in scripts. All of them are, by the way, in the description, totally free. You don't need to sign up. Also, in my previous video, I showed behind the scenes how I deliver results to my local clients so they stay happy and keep paying me for years on end. If you're interested, you can click here, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see me again. Thank you for watching.